Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start a unit test 2 syllabus. From the novel, we have two lessons. Lesson number 6, Fix Tricks, and lesson number 7, Lost in Yokohama. So, these two chapters are there for the unit test 2, which are going to be held in November. So, let's start with the very first lesson of unit test 2, that is chapter number 6, Fix Tricks. So, let's start. So this is given on page number 37. This is Fix Tricks. So this is there in unit test 2. So let's start this one. Okay. Where we have left from the last one, let's start from there so that you can get some idea. If you remember, they were arrested. Fogg and passed out. So let's see. Oda's tears fell like rain. She felt completely helpless. Fix, however, sat smiling. Good. Fogg's trip is over. I have got a whole month to arrange his arrest for the bank robbery. Too, he thought to himself. He started getting very happy that he made this kind of a trick, that they both are now there in the jail. So he is going to get more time for getting the arrest warrant for the bank robbery too. So he was very excited for that. Now the next chapter. So let's start with the Fix Tricks. Tricks means some more ideas and plan out. So let's see. As the policemen were pushing the two prisoners here means Mr. Fogg and Passepartout, out of the courtroom, Fogg suddenly turned to the judge. Just a moment, Your Honor, we wish to offer bail. Bail is something which you give, for getting free from the prison. The amount of money which you give for getting free from the prison. Just a moment, Your Honor, we wish to offer bail. Okay, then the judge, you have that right. Bail will be £1,000 for each of you. So how much money you have to pay as a security to get out of the prison? No, bail is a kind of security. Some amount of money which you pay to the judge, to the court, and then you can get the bail. Bail will be £1,000 for each of you. I will pay it at once. Now Fogg said, yes, I'm going to pay it. Very well, you are free to go. Then judge, when he paid, then he said, okay, you are free to go then. Thank you, Your Honor, said Fogg. Passepartout sighed with relief. Sighed means had a long breath, and he was feeling very relaxed, and bravely asked for his shoes to be returned. And he even asked for the shoes to be returned. After all, at £1,000 a piece, these are very expensive shoes. He thought to himself, my God, this much amount master has to pay. So he was just talking to himself that now the shoes price, he was just thinking of that thing. Now the shoes have become very expensive. Tears of joy fell down Oda's face, and now also she was crying, but now the tears of joy. And she happily joined Fogg as they left the courtroom. Fix, however, was very angry. Fogg was free again. He was very angry. He thought that he made some kind of things. Now they both will be there in the prison, in the jail, and he'll get enough time to get the arrest warrant for bank robbery. So he was very upset here. At noon, Fogg, Passepartout and Oda were on the Rangoon. Now this is one more boat, the Rangoon, you can underline. Sailing to Hong Kong during the first few days of their journey. Okay, during the first few days of their journey, Oda got to know her protector better. Protector means Mr. Fogg. He almost never spoke, but he always listened carefully to what she had to say and made sure that she was comfortable. Now she came to know more about the protector, Mr. Fogg. He almost never spoke. He was a reserved kind of a person, but he always listened carefully to what she said. She here means Oda had to say, and made sure that she was comfortable. Passepartout noticed the look of thanks in Oda's deep blue eyes and warm expressions that crossed her face when she looked at Fogg. Passepartout can have that sense, a feeling that they both, especially Oda's, having some feeling for Fogg. He wondered how his master could show no emotion before such beauty. He wondered here means he was little surprised that how Fogg can ignore all these kind of expressions. When Oda smiled, the sun seemed to rise in her face, such a positive expressions, and her